Everyone, we are at Alton Towers, if you couldn't tell by the shop I'm currently in. I don't really know what today's vlog is. We've been invited by Alton Towers. There's a talk with Bianca. I don't think we're allowed to film though. There's an auction going on later tonight. The event finishes at 10:30. I think it starts around 4ish. So we thought we'd have a few hours at Towers first, because it's like my favourite place on earth. Already just starting in the shop, I can see so many new pieces of merch. Oh, Project Ocean update as well. Not that there's been a lot that's happening, but Dan's already found a t-shirt. That actually looks quite nice. But yeah, let me show you what's going on with the merch. So Dan, what do you think about that t-shirt?
Well, it's the best ride on pod.
It's
wobbly,
weird.
Yeah.
It's
like 3D.
It's like 3D. That's a bit weird.
And if it wasn't...
I believe this bear is new. I haven't seen this bear before. This is new. You've got like a... I said to Dan, it's like a towel texture, which is a bit strange, isn't it? It looks lovely though. It does look really nice.
Top.
Yeah, I don't know how much it is. 50 quid?
I mean, the inside's quite warm.
Is it? I thought it's... Oh, that is quite nice, yeah.
Oh yes.
It is quite nice. There's a new snow globe, which I definitely will be purchasing later on today. Look at that.
And it's got all of the main rides around it.
Yeah. And it's got the new Nemesis Reborn. Another thing that's new, another new snow globe, is a Screaming Emmerlie Alton one. I think that's really sick. Look, I think that's so cool. I love that. I might be purchasing one of those later as well. I've already got that. I'm a bit merch obsessed. I've also noticed, looking in the Smiler area, can't see any Smiler resins. They were brand new for like literally this past few weeks, maybe like 1 or 2 weeks ago. There were these lovely Smiler resins. Can't see them. I think they've gone. I think they've already sold out, genuinely, but they were lovely. Unless they've moved them maybe into the Smiler shop. That could have been the case, but oh, they've got all the monkeys up there. I love it.
And the giant
I love it.
balls.
Oh, hang on. This is content. You look really angry. You'll have plenty of mystery badges. I'm not doing these this time because I got sucked into it last time and I didn't even collect them all. I think I got like, I don't even know how many I got, but not doing it again because money. Dan, the most absolutely fundamental, most vital, important attraction we attend to today.
It's Project Ocean, it's not even open.
I was going to say generator, but... oh!
That as well.
That's cool. Little Nemesis Reborn shop window. Wow.
It's been there for a while, but like, it still is cool.
Yeah, but...
I haven't seen that, to be fair.
See, that's the most amazing thing about Alton Towers, Dan. Also, why is there a candy cane on the shop? Has already failed. Generator, the queue's too big. Fuming. So we're gonna go and have a look at the Nemesis shop because I love shops. I also forgot to say Hex. That's literally all I wanted to say. Oh, Hex and the dungeons. I forgot about the dungeons. The dungeons have now closed. So I want to go have a look at that. I'm vlogging on a school trip day. The anxiety is going to pelt to 1,000. Another thing, Dan.
Hi.
The generator food cup things.
Oh, yes.
Me and Dan aren't going to get these because they have no benefit to us, but they do look cool. If we had a bag and we could carry it around all day, we would get 7. We love generator. We are generator enthusiasts. Oh, Project Ocean. If you want a really in-depth construction update, this is the man.
Hi, what do you want?
I'm saying to watch your video because it's more in-depth than mine.
I mean, I just waffle about loads of stuff.
Realistically, they would have already watched yours, Dan.
Subscribe to Emily Louisa.
So, Project Ocean, there's some work currently going on, as you can see over there. You've got the queue line. Well, if the plans are the plans. Ripsaw, basically, sum it up. Ripsaw, a top spin. But what we need is more flat rides. So am I complaining? No. I think this should be ready by the end of this year, but who knows? Who knows? I'm very excited though. Look, more work. Here's Steve Foster. Everyone, so don't know why I'm introducing the vlog again for like the 5th time. We are at the Rollercoaster Restaurant. Generator. Yeah, no, Generator was insanely busy, and we love the Rollercoaster Restaurant, so we were like, oh, treat ourselves, why not? So yeah, I'm Nemesis. Hang on, bear with. Dan, which are you?
I am Glasgow.
Actually, so shocked they had space for us. Dan, are you happy?
Yeah, this is a lot better than, I think, well, as much as I said Generator is the best thing in the park, sit down restaurant wise and just in general, this is the best place to eat. Yeah, and I've ordered BTEC Generator, so full review. Might not even be BTEC.
Might be the exact same. You never know. I took full advantage of my waitressing days.
Yeah, so did I.
Me and Dan were saying, I think they need some new plates, but...
Yeah, they seem a bit battered and bruised, but it's okay, because the food is what matters.
Yeah, if the food is good, chef's kiss. I've got a strawberry daiquiri, which looks absolutely amazing.
I went trustworthy.
True. Orange and passion fruit. It does look really good. And yeah, look at all the concept art.
That's so cool. I love that.
Dan, do the
honours.
The honours, that's the one. I was going to say something else. Not that much. I think I got too much.
Right, this is chips.
I'm loving this. Got some barbecue smothered like chicken, and it looks actually better than Generator. Oh, that's not us. And then I've got some Cajun seasoned chips. This looks amazing. I think for the cocktail and these, with Merlin annual pass discount, I paid £20. So, not complaining really. Dan, we need to see yours. Oh.
What's the burger?
It's always so good.
It's just got the same chips, but less salt.
Yeah, I love that. Scare maze, I'm stuck. So, Perth is closed. Aerial ground.
I'd be very confused. It better come back.
We just did the rapids like 10 times. We'll love that as well. You can see that we've just done the rapids. Why does this look so low down? Is that a tan mark? I don't know. This is what was Darkest Depths, I believe. Is now a piece of machinery.
No, I'll do it now. Watch.
Way! No, stop twerking. This vlog has been an absolute shambles. Where are we going?
What are you hex in the dungeons? You need to
The dungeons! The dungeons! It's not open. Dan, why am I filming it if it's not open?
Filming it because it's not open. There might be an update. Look, there's a
What?
window open over there. Incredible.
What's the point of this?
Oh.
To be entirely honest, I sort of forget that the Burger Kitchen down here exists. And we've just come to have a look at the dungeons before we leave to go to this event thing that's happening. I just want to have one last look. I'm going to miss it so much. I remember Alton Towers opening day 2019 when this beautiful ride opened before COVID was even existing. And now it's gone. Sam still thinks it's open. Oh! They've replaced the dungeon sign with Scarefest Returns. Well, Scarefest returning doesn't matter because I don't like scare mazes. Look at it. This is so sad. This is so sad. Rest in peace. Wow. So, I was filming the gift shop earlier. I have the 2024 best retail sellers right in front of me. I thought I'd get them all for free, but apparently not. We've got a Nemesis denim jacket. I've got that. We've got all the monkeys. I have that. I wanted that, but Dan wouldn't let me. We've got the Croc Charms, valid. Got Wicker Man socks, Nemesis socks, Ballet. Well, I only wear white socks. Colouring book. We've got a Nemesis Reborn hoodie. Not my favourite, that one. We've got a nice Alton Towers hoodie behind. Lovely. We've got some Harry Styles, so I'm going to get copyrighted now. Thanks a lot. Okay, so me and Dan last minute we booked to stay at Splash Landings, as you can hear. You can see me vlogging here. Yeah, I thought I would turn my camera around, but yeah, like you've got like the little soaps and the gels, you've got everything here. I've brought in some leave-in conditioner as well, because I thought like, I know they don't do conditioner. We've got this, you've got a little ironing board, like just for a night, or even multiple nights. Like it's a really nice room. And like I say, for like the cheapest room here, yeah, it's really nice. Look at our view. Wow. Not that there's like loads going on, but I'm pretty sure that's a pool. Dan's just desperate to go back.
To where?
To Splash Landings, the water park.
What you can do? Come here. The haunted house op panel has gone to sleep.
Why is this on the bed, Dan?
Well, if you really want, it's got some crayons. And a colouring book.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look, they've done, don't throw it. They've done one at the bottom there as well. How lovely. He's chuffed, look at him. So happy with his room. Oh.
Crab on the floor.
Yeah, there's loads of stuff on the floor. That's just the design. But I was going to say, like, we won. Me and Dan and Ben F and James.
Look at this.
Look, we won.
Down to our pure knowledge that M doubted, by the way.
We got third place, actually.
Look, we won.
Dan, do a haul.
I'll do a haul, right. Got the Phalanx hoodie, just with the Phalanx logo.
Lovely.
Love that. Obviously got this lovely tote bag, which we...
Yeah, and also they gave us 2 lots as well, so it meant we all got stuff.
Phalanx cap, mine got...
I think you already... Oh, did it?
So happy.
So he's got another one.
Bianca was standing over us as we unpacked this, and I was like, thank you. And then in here as well. It's basically just a Phalanx and Nemesis bundle.
Yeah, but it's lovely.
It's probably about 50 quid or something, even more.
That's nice. I'll wear that to bed later.
We'll wear it out. On a night out.
Okay.
We will become the Phalanx.
All right.
And then, next up, not a 1, but 2 mugs. And the Phalanx logo.
I actually really like this mug, so I'm quite pleased with that. No, honestly, zero bias. Like, I'm so chuffed with that.
And then, probably one of my favourite things in here, I think, just double checking. My favourite thing in here probably is this. Yeah,
that's a really nice t-shirt, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very nice. I don't know what size it is. Large.
Yeah, they have given us larges, so you can't really complain, actually.
Yeah, it's not too small, not too big.
It's perfect. So I forgot to do an outro. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Alton Towers for having us. The event was absolutely amazing. And it was crazy to meet Bianca. Like, she's such a lovely human being. I hope you all like this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.